Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I just got done using this 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. And I said, you know what? The name is Fierce. So let me create a fierce look with this eye look. So guys, if you guys want to see how I created this fierce look, then stay tuned and catch me on that side over there.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, so I did my face and I primed my eyelids off camera for the purpose of the video. So we're going to begin with this eye tutorial. We're going to be using this palette right here, and this is 3503 Fierce by Nature, and this is Morphe palette, and we're going to play with these colors right here. I wanted to try this palette out just because it has a lot of fall colors, all the browns and warm tones, so I'm excited to try this out. I still don't know what I'm going to be doing, but just know we're going to do fall and beautiful smoky eye colors. So let's see what we're going to do. But first of all, we're going to pick this color right here. This palette doesn't have any name, so I'm just going to point it out. So I'm going to get this color right here, and I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid. This fluffy brush right here, and I'm just going to place that all over my eyelids so I won't have no creases on my eyelids, because we don't want those creases to come out, because then the eyeshadow will not look nice at all. So we're just going to prep the eyelids with that color so we can begin with the process. I'm going to use this color right here, the second shade, and that's like an orangey tan color, and I'm going to place that in the crease of my eyelids. I'm going to use this brush right here, and it's Morphe. It's like a little fluffier brush, and I'm just going to place that orange color right in the crease area. So I'm doing tapping motion for now. So I'm just doing the outer corner. So once you got the color that you like, you just blend it a little bit. I don't want to blend it too much because I don't want to take the color away from the shadow. And I'm just focusing in the outer crease. Now I'm going to use this color right here, and it's a reddish orangey color, and I'm going to place that right here in the corner. And I'm going to use this smaller fluffy brush, and this is Morphe, and I'm just going to place it right up here on the crease, and we're going to make it like a side V, and then do circular motion. And then we're going to use a fluffy brush, and we're just going to smoke it out a little bit. So it looks something like this. Now we're going to bring the darker color. I'm going to use this brown color right here, and I'm going to place it in the outer corner once again. And I'm going to use this brush right here. It's Morphe 441. And I'm going to use that brown. And I'm going to just dab it in the corner. I'm not blending it yet. I'm just tapping it. And then we're blending it circular motion. I want it to be more smoky and like a cat eye, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. tape because I want it to be more catty. So grab that brown and then just smoke it out. Don't be scared, guys. Just smoke the crap out of your eye. And then I'm bringing it inwards, just like that. And I'm going to use this brush right here, and I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to bring it up here, and I'm just going to soften the crease up. And then I'm going to use a cleaner brush, and I'm just going to blend all that out. So it looks something like this. Now what I want to do is I want to deepen the corners, the outer corners out, and I want to put a darker color just to smoke it out a little bit more. So I'm going to use a darker color, guys. I'm going to be using this color right here, and I'm going to use this brush right here, and this is Morphe M506, and I'm just going to place it, and then I'm just tapping it because I want that color to bring out and smoke it out a little bit. I want that color to pop, and then I'll just bring it up. Now I'm going to use this brush right here, the blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the top part a little bit. I'm going to cut the crease just a little bit. So I'm going to use my Morphe M441, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to place it where I cut the crease. So I'm going to use this flat brush. And right here in the middle, I'm going to place this color right here. And just blend it out so you don't see no harsh lines. You see that, guys, how it's like smoking out? That's our goal. We want to smoke the eyelid out. And then bring it out, so feather it out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put black shadow and wing it out. So I'm going to use like a taper brush, and I'm going to use this brush right here, the Morphe brush, and I'm going to get this black color right here, like I'm lining my eyes. And I'm trying to make it thicker. And then in the inner corner, make it thinner. And then I'm just going to use this brush right here, and this is Sigma E45, and I'm just going to smoke it out. And then if I want it, I think I want the black to be a little more thicker. This eye look, you can't be scared of the black. We're going smoky, bold, sassy. This is the look that we're going for. Glam, nighttime. Look at me. That's what we're going for. Yes, I'm a diva. That's what we're going for. So what we're doing is we're smoking it out, the black. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of pressing powder on my eyes because I don't want the black then I can just sweep it out after I'm done with the color. So I'm gonna look a little crazy, guys, but it's okay because we're going to fix it. I'm not taking out the tape yet because I'm going to use my Huda Beauty, and this black liner is the best. I'm going to use not the liquid side, the black liner, and I'm going to underline. And then I'm going to wing it up. And then I'm going to get the sides and I'm just going to wing it down. And then what I'm going to do is, now I'm just going to blend it. And now I'm going to use this side and I'm just going, and with this I'm not going to go all the way up because I already used the pencil. So this I'm just going to stop where the eye stops. So like right here. And then I just use the same brush, the Morphe, and just blend everything out. So now I'm just using the brush right here that I used before, the orangey color, and I'm just going to blend out everything out on top just so it could be smooth. And I advise you to do your foundation later because I have a lot of fallout. I like that, I like that. So now I'm just going to swipe everything out with my powder brush. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is just blend everything out, and then we're going to do the bottom. So my lashes are in. Now we're going to finish underneath our eyes. I'm going to use this color right here underneath my waterline, and I'm going to use a taper brush. I'm going to use my Morphe M410, this brush right here. And I'm going to use that reddish color, and I'm just going to taper it. Alright, so now I'm going to use this dark brown color right here, and I'm going to place it in the outer corner. Alright guys, so now we're just going to blend it out with this brush right here, and this is M506, and we're just going to blend it out so we can just smoke it out. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty, and I'm going to use the pencil side, and I'm just going to darken underneath my waterline. So now we're going to highlight our face and put a little bit more blush and do our lips, and then we are done, guys. So let's highlight our face, and I'm going to use my Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this highlighter right here. I'm going to use this brush right here, and I'm going to highlight the cheekbones, my sides. I'm going to bring it up a little bit, and tip of my nose. And then I'm going to use this gold color right here, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, like right here. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Retro Paradise, and is in brown. Does it have a number? It doesn't have a number, but it looks like this. It's in brown. So I'm going to line my lip. Where's my mirror? Alright guys, this is dark. Oh, I am feeling fierce. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Demi Matte, and it's like a little brown color like this. And before I am done, I'm going to spray my face. Where is the spray that I bought? I'm going to use my Milani Make It Last spray. Fan it real quick. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you also stay through the end to see how I created this whole entire eye look. But guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.